What is up, people? I think we're on live finally. I'm not 100% sure, but I hope we sure are. I really want to be. Alright, sorry about that mix up earlier. We're just having a little bit of technical difficulties, but I believe we are back. Anyways, let's see what we got going on here. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Anyways, Ted here, Bodies and Wicks. We're just having a discussion on the massive drop on stock market and how it somehow was. I don't even understand it. Somehow it was had to do with Biden's plan on tax cuts on people that made over $1 million. Would have to do with their dividend tax or something like that, or their capital gains tax. That would have to do with their capital gains tax. So, and that story came out about an hour after the whole charade, the whole market went down. I went back and I did. If you watch my last video, did some back testing. Looked like it was more like smart money was in the room than anything, that's for sure. Smart money was definitely in the room. Basically a bunch of guys in suits planned this. This is exactly what happened. And then they went from there and they took control of the market and made people think it was going to go up higher. And as soon as I thought it was going to go up higher, they decided they wanted to drop it all of a sudden. That's pretty much the gist of it. So that being said, what does that mean for the crypto market, basically? So what that can mean for the crypto market is quite a few things. People could get spooked already, right? They could get spooked already into because there's people that still have no idea about the crypto market, have no idea what the altcoins mean, have no idea what Bitcoin means. I mean, rarely any. I mean, I live in a small podunk town, and so I be surprised at how very little people know about these kind of things, right? So that's where I was starting to go with this, is that if people are slowly investing or going in their 401ks and if they're seeing that their money isn't going anywhere, or there's going to be a capital gains tax that's gonna drop the market almost. Well, it was technically 1% across the board, across all major indices. But if we 1% across all major indices add up to a lot, and that can probably add up to somewhere $35,000 easily, something like that in a day. Lose, and that's low ending it. I'm not even high ending it. I'm low ending it. So, what would happen if we were to introduce? Well, first of all, I should introduce myself and let you know who I am. I am Ted here out of Bodies and Wicks. What I like to do is I like to do smart money things. Means knowing how to trade with the big guys, right? And knowing how the big guys, how they, knowing when smart money is in the room, there is going any kind of big pullback, or where the next big swing move. things like that. And you can kind of tell those in these um, markets or in these kind of connect um, in all of these different areas of the market, whether it be in the regular equities market, you know, like P or the Dow or something like that. We're in the crypto market. In the crypto market, it just depends. Crypto market's newer, so it's not as um, not as institutionalized just yet, but it is being institutionalized. 100%. It's 100% being in so I'd say let's just go ahead and move over to a crypto chart, and let's see if there's, even though it did drop today, the regular stock market did drop. Let's take a look at a crypto market and see what's going on. But before you do, what I want you to do is go ahead and do something for me. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, let people know that I'm out here trying to teach people about smart money, letting them know how to get ahead of the game and trade like trade like a professional. That way they're not stuck left behind, trading like a regular retail trader that's taught to trade a double top. Well, that means there's two tops. That means sell once it gets back to that same spot. Double top. Wrong. That means you will be going right through that double top because everybody's expecting you to sell. So it's kind of like reverse psychology is basically what smart money. So so we'll just go ahead into a chart. And I'll take myself off the screen. I am in Ethereum right now. I have a lot on the screen, I know. Hold on, let me clean this up for you all a little bit, and let's see if we can't get something more tasteful here. Right. I saw Ethereum was going down earlier, which I wasn't surprised. You know, Ethereum has had a pretty good run lately, so that's been great. So, good thing is that it has, well, here it'll probably get below here. Okay, so there's some equal lows here, meaning that once the price gets down to this area, a lot of people are going to be thinking it's support, when actually it's probably going to run right through it and not be support anymore, and it's going to be, well, just not support. How about that? So that being said, let's look over as far as this way. already found some support. Be right here. I honestly don't think it's gonna get any lower than that. We have two double bottoms here. Didn't mean to fib that. Honestly, this is where I thought I was going to go in the first place. This big orange line. I think emotions were going through me whenever I thought that. I don't think I was thinking clearly. Not for sure if the orange line is the line it could go to. I think of some other areas of interest right now. Low, high, lower, low. I have a breaker right here. Oh, perfect. It's gonna trade higher. Look at this. Look at this. This is perfect. Top of the candle. B. There we go. It's the last of the green candle, isn't it? Nope, need a little bit. There we go. Top of the green candle all the way across. Good. Came back above it, come back, and then bounced off of it. You're going to see Ethereum go up now. That was a quick analyzation of Ethereum. Even then, what else we got? Fortunately, this has been rebalanced. Really don't have anything to look forward to. Now I'm on the 15-minute chart too, so if I look on the hour chart, there might be something a little bit different to look forward to. See here. Nope, same thing. You're looking at this area here. So Ethereum. Looks like it shall be going up till it hits this area here. Now, once it hits this area here, it depends on what kind of momentum it's going to have. If it's going to keep going through, or if it's going to stop and then turn back around. So, it just depends on the momentum. I want to say it's probably going to be equal with this. Close enough. Yeah, a lot of these gaps they overlap. I didn't even notice there was a big drop. And had I not noticed there was a big drop. But it did. Got through there. Fair value gap. Top of it kept going. I don't see any liquidity. What I just saw was Ethereum searching for liquidity, right? And it found it right there. Well, oh, a line across right here. Maybe I can hit the right button. A line, but I think it was this one. Computer's starting to get a little slow doing this all night. Yep. Just touched the fair value gap. Turned around and went. That's a good thing. That's actually a good thing. You don't want it to go too far into the fair value for it to be fair, or for it to be bullish. You want half that fair value going. Now that we're on top, breaker going now here. I think I found that on the hour. Yep. What the 4 hour gives me. Interesting, okay. I like the hour the best. The hour gives me an opportunity. There's that opportunity in the 1 hour. Here it was seeking liquidity. Got the liquidity. But have guys right here. One thing that scares me. I want to put a trade on it. So long. Exit. As soon as it gets out of that. No, maybe it just wasn't meant to be. Actually left the room to go get my phone. My phone is on the charger all night and it's dead. And look at that. You can tell Ethereum's growing right now. Oh. Alright, well, let's take a look at Bitcoin then. I had a whole lot of mess going on earlier this week. That was all Saturday, I believe. Liquidity, it was gonna here, I knew it would get above this liquidity. It did. Buy down here for a leverage trade. I wish I would have. 7 o'clock in the morning, I wasn't up then. Great leverage. Now what are we looking at? My Fibonacci way up here. Like after crash, the stock market followed suit. Looked like Bitcoin or the coin market, the crypto market kind of follows suit, but not such a dramatic way. 48 third right. I wish phone was. We'll be selling some my little right now. Buy up some wins right now. Still trying to believe in them. And all right, so what's gonna happen to Bitcoin here? All right, let's go off the 15-minute. Let's get on the hour. Any liquidity below we're at right now? So went through that liquidity point right there. Looks like even went for a value gap I drew out a long time ago. This is why I draw all these things. But when I come back to my say, oh, hey, there's that fair value gap. Actually went to it. I know when I went to it. I can place a bet. At least place a trade. Know that like immediately came right back up after it went through and fell back. 5,000, 1,000, right? Right about where this low was, where a lot of people are probably seeing that as a result. Unfortunately, not how it's going to work out. Gonna go up till here. We're up in this area. Probably second. Horizontal, right? Okay. Probably there. Why? Because that is the bearish order block. Bearish order. Or also what's known as it's high, a low. Also be that. Oh, it looks like Bitcoin and Ethereum are both on the same path. Looking for the same things. very much closer to gold. Who knows? This may be one of those things all night. Even fall back into box back here. But it seems like, well, I thought the news from today would have been a little bit more hopeful for all of the crypto market, but if you're flipping over on the right side of this, even my 1180A. But it seems like everybody's made its dip. 10 o'clock, was it? Made theirs. Fuck. Try some random coin. Go with Udem. Made a little bit of a dip. Sorry if my internet keeps cutting out. Alright, so Qtum also did a little bit of a fall. Oh. Being this right here, being right now would be the best time to place leverage trade on Qtum. Because that you got some highs. See if possibly that direction, take out the highs. I haven't really viewed him that low in a while. All right, let's check out another one. My favorite. Spell it right. Now, I like going to Hyobi. Reason. Could dive. Anything. Oh, and let's check. See how Puka's doing. All the way down. $26. Interesting. Got the money. Right now is the time to start building in your portfolio. My next RP. Oh, it's dropped to about to when about the time I bought it. Right on that. Aaron, I just wanted to go through and show you guys that I'm just a normal dude, just playing the trading game like everybody else. No master. But I do try to call good calls when I see them, and I hope they work out. So I'm gonna throw it over here to the news side of it. That are reading news. I think I'm lower than what I was before after the crash. They're phasing us into the world, the one world domination. You will own nothing and you will be happy. Bad. Own a bunch of stuff. It dropped all the way down to here. spot right in here. 35. A big chunk out of my portfolio just to get a good Litecoin, a good price. Litecoin's not doing anything. How about Neo? Guaranteeing Neo probably took a big hit. Yo, oh no. I switched had a lot in Bitcoin, and whenever the crash happened, I switched all my Bitcoin to Neo. And then once Neo hit 110, 20, 20, definitely went back. Well, no, actually, I put it on fiat.